Is this the best snack pack in Sydney? I'm at Olympic Meats trying their snack pack today. It's got chicken and pork gyros on their chips, and it's also got garlic, barbecue, and their Macedonian pepper sauce on top. Some onions as well. That crunch is crazy. First bite for you. A little bit of everything. That's so good. The meat is so tender. Coke Zero to wash it down. This is for sure a 2-person job because I'm reaching my limit. I'm not even halfway yet. It's crazy. Be sure to check this place out. I give it a 9.5 out of 10. It's so good.